This is my house today, December 25th. I am getting out of the house from the backyard. This is one of the most beautiful views that we can see in the city of Albany. This is not the city of Albany, the county of Albany, better say. Look, all the snow that we have. December 25th, when we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. That was the way that I saw my house when I woke up. Look at everything white. Everything is white, beautiful, gorgeous. There we go. We're going to meet a little person, a little people, a little person, better say, a little pet. This is all that we have surrounding the backyard. We are going to go to the secondary backyard where I left a little surprise. It's rare to see when the snow fall down the trees and accumulate that way. This is the little surprise that I have for you. I went back to the house. I left it here because I couldn't help but to record this view. There you have the little surprise that I told you. Susie, say hello to the camera, Susie. Meet Susie. Susie, she enjoys the snow a lot. She goes crazy with the snow. There is no cold that can keep her from having fun. You see my pine trees surrounded by snow. This is me. Let's see if I can turn on the camera. It's really cold. I can't. I'm going to try one more time. I can't. It's my hands are frozen. Let's continue looking at the view. I want to see if Susie does something that she does when I left her by herself. Goodbye, Susie. Goodbye, Susie. Goodbye, Susie. Bye, Susie. Susie, where are you? Where are you? Bye. Bye, Susie. Bye, Susie. There she is. That's what she does. She's afraid that I'm going to leave it again. And she's ready to go. All right. Okay. Say hello to the camera. There you are. And we are cutting in a little bit. Ha ha. There it is.